Good old yellow sticker, 47p. In this kit, I will be using number 33. Hey everyone, I'm looking a bit like worse for wear. I've come back from all the festivals that I went to in September. And I just need to take care of myself a little bit. I've been a bit run down and my hair is greasy today, so I need to wash it. It looks alright. It looks like I go out in public like this, but I do need to wash it today. It is hair wash day. And for the past week, I've been suffering from wisdom tooth pain. It's like growing and like digging. And last night I took my last antibiotic for the like gum pain, but the pain is still there. So I'm taking quite a few ibuprofens for the inflammation. So yeah, like it's not like the best start to the month of October, but we're okay for now. So yeah, so today I need to wash my hair. I've got to do my nails as well. So I'm missing this nail and I'm missing this nail on this hand. I've got to paint my toes as well. Like remove all the old gel and put on new gel. That is that. Last night I did pluck my eyebrows because they were like growing left, right and centre, and I was like, I need to do something. I also need to pop out into town as well. Today's a Sunday, so nothing opens till 11. So yeah, I need to go and get some new work shoes, which is kind of a little bit annoying because I don't want to spend money this month. Like I'm trying to be like as stingy as possible this month. I know that doesn't sound like me, but I really need to be because I overspent last month, which I kind of knew was going to happen, but I didn't want to happen, which means it's going to eat into this month's like kind of like budget. Anyway, so I need to buy some new work shoes. They're going to be all black trainers. I'm going to try Office, but I'm not too sure if that's going to like work out in my luck or not, because it's all sold out on ASOS. So I'm like, love that for me.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly.
So guys, if you can't tell, my mum and I got caught up in the rain. It was literally like torrential rain. At least this is waterproof, but obviously I don't have my hood on, so my hair's a bit wet. We tried to go in the we tried to wait in like under like shelter to walk out when it wasn't like proper like pissing it down. We tried to go when it was like a little bit lighter and then go as fast as we could, but my mum got splashed by a bus. Oh my gosh, it was a whole palaver. So we managed to go to Lidl and Asda. I don't like Lidl produce that much, it's not like the best, so I got a few things from Asda as well. I'll show you guys what we did get. So few things. I had to get some new cotton rounds because I've run out. There she is. So I got that from Lidl. Got some conditioner from Savers because I use that to shave with. And then I got some malted milk biscuits, and these shortcake biscuits from Asda for 15p. They also had nice biscuits for 20p, and like coconut rounds for 20p as well. I don't know why they're going like so cheap, but I guess these go out of date in January, so they want to get rid of them. But these are like my new obsession, since like I can't eat like hard foods. I know biscuits are hard, but dipped in tea they go all mushy, don't they? So I've had those like every time that I need to take a tablet where I don't want to eat a full meal. I know that sounds really bad, but like I can't stomach it sometimes. Like the thought of eating a full meal at like 10 o'clock at night, no thanks. I used to be up for that, but no thanks now. So like eating a little bit just helps, or like I'll have like soft some things. And then I've got some raspberries, really been craving those. And then these were on offer, and with a cup of tea I'll be fine. These are 2 jam and cream donuts. When I was younger I used to hate those, and some chocolate eclairs, but I've grown to like them. They were on offer, on sale. You know, can't beat a good old yellow sticker, 47p. And we have it 33p, can't say no to that. Then I got some caramel digestives. I love these, especially during like these colder months. Like it just reminds me of like those type of days, like when we went to Cornwall that time, when we had those. Oh gosh, it just brings me back good memories. Got some blueberries as well, and some paracetamol. I did get a couple packs of ibuprofen though to help with my mouth. Oh my gosh. Right, they were out of what's it, so I had to resort to these cheesy wiggles. They're softer in texture than traditional crisps. So also having with the biscuits, if I don't want a proper meal as well, then I'll have the cup of soups. I know some people don't like things like this, but like I've grown up with those, so like I don't think they're like gross or anything. So I got the minestrone and the cream of vegetable. Ibuprofen. Why am I doing a proper little haul? I don't know. It's groceries, guys. Got some jelly as well, because it's soft. I also have been craving like Scotch pancakes, not like pancakes that you pour at home, like these ones I've been craving. So I don't know, it's weird. I did end up getting quite a few packets of these because I'll know I'll get 3 of them. Also got some orange jelly as well. Lime is my favourite, but we already have one in the fridge. I also got these as well because I saw someone on TikTok eating them, and I was like, on days where my mouth isn't that bad, I'll have them, and they're milk chocolate waffles. I'm not really calorie counting or anything at the moment because I haven't been to the gym. I've had to give myself some rest because I'm not that like well. No, in August I really increased my protein intake dramatically, and it helps with my muscle gains quite a bit. I do need to start that back up again. Got a whole load of veg and stuff. This was 12p celery. I don't really like celery, my mum likes it. Carrots and suede, I got that, and also casserole vegetables. Like I don't usually eat all of these vegetables like every day, so like these packets, like that's good for me. And I also bought some chicken casserole seasoning to go with the casserole vegetables. I also bought some potatoes for the mash and stuff because I'm going to be making cottage pie. In M&S I bought these sausage rolls because I can't live without sausage rolls from M&S. And furthermore, I did buy some rose harissa paste because when my mum makes pizza, like homemade bread and toppings, everything, she puts in harissa paste onto the base with the tomato base, and it just tastes amazing. It elevates the tomato so much and gives it a little bit of a like spice to it. And then I also got this from M&S as well, and it's the golden blonde chocolate spread. I've just really been wanting to try this. So this is the Makartt Polygel kit that I use for nude colours. I just need to do my little finger and my other finger. I don't know if that's a ring finger, I always get mixed up. Anyway, so in this kit I will be using number 335 nude pink, and also the base coat and the top coat as well as the nail cleanser solution, which helps with picking up the spreading the product, and you get the brush as well. So this kit also comes with your nail form, which I don't use, a nail file, and the jewel forms. I don't like these jewel forms that have come with it, so instead I'm using the jewel forms that have come in the blue nail extension gel kit. This is just like my little gel box, my little nail box, and these are the forms that I will be using. This is the nail lamp that I use. It's the SUNUV, and the wattage I believe is, I want to say, so it's 48 watts, and yeah, this is the one that I use. So after picking out the tips, this is tip 8 and this is tip 6. I will then use my hand file. I use this manual file, and I'll just file the shine off of the tips. So now I'm going to go in with a base and then Builder Gel. Builder Gel isn't a necessary step because we are using Polygel, but I just find that one layer of Builder Gel, and then I buff the Builder Gel to make it like scratchy, and then I put on the Polygel. It just adheres better to my nail. So the bead of Polygel on this jewel form is too little, and I spread it out and it's not going as far down as I need it to, so I need to add some more. So when the nail comes out, it looks all shiny. I've cured the bottom as well. I cure it for 120 seconds on the top side, and then underneath it's 60 I do. But yeah, it's super shiny and it just needs buffing and shaping, and then the top coat, and then you're ready to go. Good afternoon, guys. So it's the next day now, and I've been to work and I've been to the gym today, which is amazing for me because I haven't been in a week and a bit, and I just focused on legs and bum today. I didn't add in arms. I really wanted to focus on legs and bum. I'll show you my finished nails. So all I did was like, so I did the fingers that were missing, and then I did just infill on the other nails, and then I did that kind of design, just like these smiley faces. And last night I didn't take any painkillers to go to bed with, and I woke up, my jaw and like teeth, gums, everything were aching, and I woke up to it and I was like, what the hell is this pain? So that didn't go down too well. So I took some painkillers this morning and I haven't since, which is all right. But yeah, so I've got my hood on right now because I'm just making a cottage pie downstairs, and I don't want my hair to smell because obviously washed hair yesterday. I'll just take you guys down with me. So we've just got our onions and garlic and herbs just sweating off. I'm gonna add in my 5% fat mince now.